Disclaimer, I do not own Smile, Pretty Cure, or Glitter Force. They are all owned by Saban and Toei Animations. This is just a fan dub of my voiceovers. Thank you to Angie or Prism No.1 and for recording this video. Thank you. Please enjoy the fan dub. Hi, I'm Emily, and I met this fairy named Candy this one day, who turned me into a legendary warrior. And guess what? My friends are legendary warriors too. It's super cool. But there's supposed to be 5 glitter warriors, so I guess who's the last one? Those 2 buffoons are so pathetic. It's time for Oprah Hot to show them how it's done. I forgot to remove this. Just don't mind it. Cause, yeah. Yeah! I'm gonna be late! Aren't you always? That's not true. Only on Saturdays. You're off on Saturday. Shut up, Candy.
Emily!
Hello? You're watering the water sprouts? These flowers, do you water them every morning?
Yeah. I love flowers.
What? You mean you water them every day?
The flowers here are so beautiful.
Huh? Oh, Jappy!
That's right. Anyways, so...
What about...
Oh, dear, school! We have to hurry! What's going on?
Maybe she's the one. Let's go, butterfly! Put them on my ears! Alright! Guys, listen up! I think I found our 5th Glitter Force warrior! The final Glitter Force warrior is respectful, smart, and kind! Someone who likes water sprouts!
Likes water sprouts?
Her name is... Chloe! Chloe! That was amazing!
course, legendary warriors, your story is very improbable, but does it perhaps you're lying?
Please, Chloe. See, this is a creature. I'm not a creature. Yeah.
Cool animatronic doll.
Who you calling a doll?
Wow, you five must keep a lot of secrets.
Yeah, Chloe. So, please, be a Glitter Force warrior.
Sorry, but I'm a bit busy, so I can't join. I'm terribly
Oh,
sorry.
why not?
Student council work, of course. We're organizing a fairy tale to tell to all the elementary schools. Hey guys, this is my friends. This is Holgany and Seijin.
Is something wrong?
Oh, that's right. As vice president, I had to pull through somehow. You four take the parts of the reading fairy tale. Outpouring the Snow White this year.
That sounds like so much fun! I'm sure the kids will love it!
Thank you. All the kids are looking forward to it, so I don't want to disappoint them.
Yeah, guys! What if we help Chloe out? Yeah, we could totally help out with the pictures and stuff. Maybe Lily can help out with the pictures because I'm not really good at that. So, what do you think?
Wonderful proposal, but I couldn't burden you with all this. But
Chloe! We're gonna make today. We're gonna make tomorrow super ultra happy. Of course not.
Well then, I accept your help.
Yeah! Woo! Yeah! Come on, Lily, you go. Rare! Oh! You saw nothing. Almost done. Yeah, stop. Let's go. Finished. It looks amazing, guys. Great work. It's all because of Lily and her amazing drawing skills.
Thank you. I mean it. Thank you so much.
Chloe! We're gonna tell the story great! I just know it! Ready, girls? Ready, girls? Hey! What if there's a flame tracker? It looks like it's our turn. Let's go, everyone. Huh? Wait up!
We will be performing Snow White. Please enjoy. Snow White. Once upon a time, there was a princess called Snow White, who was beautiful and fair as snow, with rosy cheeks, and her hair was black as coal. She was about a beautiful princess. Huh? You're looking at the kids, right? Let me escort you to... Huh?
How I hate this happy ending. The evil queen actually wins in the story. So, let's just fix that up, shall we? It's time to paint this world with an unhappy future! She's staying away with the bad and the family! No! Chloe! Yes, yes, yes! More bad ending from these humans for my master and for Nago! You're not getting away with this! Ow! I think I'm getting away with this for sure. Getting shut up, little girl. We're not gonna let this happen! So Glitter Force wasn't a dream. It's glitter time! Glitter Force makeover! Glitter Pack is a big power! Glitter! Yeah, this girl's on fire! Watch out, Will! Glitter Punch! Super Punch! I'm gonna test it! A fabulous shimmer! A glow in your heart! I'm Glitter Lucky! When you mess with me, you're playing with fire! I'm Glitter Sunny! Explosive strong is like yourself! I'm Glitter Blind! Wow, why is my hair so big? It's amazing, Spring!
Today's Twinkle Rock.
Peace, are you gonna play that every time?
Isn't it cool? I haven't watched
Really? Is that supposed to be scissors? Having fun, are we? Well, I'm gonna go on a different level. Come out, buffoon! Now, shape yourself into a mirror! They're multiplying! Try to figure out who's the real one, and if you don't, you get an extreme punishment. Yeah! We got spirit! Yes, we do! Spirit! They sure are noisy. Glitter Force! Sparkle! Shower! One for Lucky, zero for her! Zero for Lucky, one for her! which one is it? Or whatever! Glitter Force! Sparkle Shot! Did I get it? Wrong? You've all lost, and your powers are useless. It's my turn. Buffoon! No mercy. No way, huh? There's no point of this trash. Oh, it's Chloe! Sorry, we didn't tell you. Stop interrupting my fun! You're wasting my time. Now lay on the floor and get back to negative. I have no time. We most definitely help you. We're gonna make those kids smile.
Everyone's hard work has been wrecked. Finish them now! I don't know where you came from, but I must ask you to leave. I am the vice student president. I am Chloe of junior high, and I will not let you talk to my friends like this. Well, not any longer. While I'm here. What's happening? What is this?
You're the last glitter force player! Yay! Now, put the glitter charm into the glitter packs and say glitter force makeover!
I can help Emily! Instant glitter charm! Glitter force makeover! Glitter puffs apply shades of power! Poof poof glitter boots. Poof poof glitter bands. I love that clip. Cool swift as the winter wind. I'm Glitter Breeze.
We have a fifth. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and all the glitter force warriors are here.
Huh? What just happened to my clothes?
Another one, huh? Get her, buffoon! Kick their butts, Glitter Breeze!
There what? Wow, was that me? I have superhuman
Why
powers.
is she so better than me? However, you won't be able to see which one's the real mirror. Buffoons!
Mirrors, huh? The only real one is you! Wow, I just did that?
Hey, how did you know that was the real one?
The mirrors are separate. The reflection of the ribbon was different on that one.
Oh, I get it. Use your sparkle blizzard.
Huh?
Use a compact.
This thing, right? Okay.
Do it now!
I'm very tired. This.
Chloe! The play was in a hinge. It was amazing. We all did amazing, and the kids loved it. That's so great, isn't it? That was really exciting.
Thank you so much for everything today. I know I turned you down before, but I would actually like to join you.
Yay! That's great, Chloe! Now you're a part of the Glitter Force! It's gonna be so exciting, so great! You'll see! Chloe, it's gonna be so much fun!
Everyone, I like you too.
Yeah!
You know we love to sing together. We got to dance forever. We have to run all night. That's what we need. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hang with us, we're gonna get down. We're really gonna rock this town. We are five, but we are one. This can never be undone. There is nothing that can get in the way. Have you heard what they say? You can always count on me. Gotta bring all the light to shine on me. You know we love to sing together. We got to dance forever. We have to rock all night. That's what we need. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, 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 oh. Dance and fun is what we need.
Next time on Glitter Force, we have all the Glitter Force warriors now. Now we need to think of a cool catchphrase. Is that really important right now? Of course it is. Come back for episode 6. Team naming.